Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own DIY baby shower gift. Yep, so maybe it's that friend that has everything, or maybe you're just not really sure what to get them, but you want to make a lasting impact on this new family, on this new baby. Well, I have some amazing tips for you that are non-toxic, absolutely safe, and will save you tons of money, and you'll be the favorite gift at the baby shower. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I'm going to show you a really easy DIY that'll cost you less than $15 for an amazing baby shower gift. All right, so the first thing that I like to do is that we can make our own rollers and spray bottles. This saves a lot of money, it's easy to do, and it makes the person receiving the gift feel super special because you made them a special customized gift. Now this doesn't take a lot of time or a lot of money, but you do need a few of these essential oils on hand, so let me show you how to do that. The first one is the hand sanitizer. Yes, as a busy new mom, you're definitely going to need a hand sanitizer for all those yuckies at the grocery store or changing station in the bathroom and all things hands and diapers, right? So a little hand sanitizer is a wonderful gift to give a new mom. So 1 ounce spray bottle, make sure it's glass, preferably. 10 drops of On Guard is a doTERRA proprietary blend that helps as a disinfectant. So 10 drops of On Guard and just a squirt of coconut oil. I like to use doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil because it's always liquid and I know it is safe for babies and for moms. So just a squirt of coconut oil and the rest water. So 1 ounce glass bottle, 10 drops of On Guard, a squirt of coconut oil and the rest water. And then you can make a beautiful label for it that says hand sanitizer. So that is the first recipe for you. The next recipe for you that is amazing to make a little roller for a new mom is Energy Boost. I know as a new mom, we're up all the time, nursing the baby, feeding the baby, changing the diapers, all those things. So an energy roller for Energy Boost, your new mom is gonna love that. So 5 drops of lemon essential oil, 5 drops of lime, and 5 drops of wild orange. All of the citruses will smell amazing, but will give a natural energy boost to your new mom. I like to squirt a little bit of coconut oil in the roller. I like to use the 5 or the 10 ml glass roller bottles, but that is a great recipe for Energy Boost. Okay, another one is Tummy Tamer. So babies have all kinds of tummy issues, right? So 5 drops of lavender, 5 drops of wild orange, and 5 drops of Balance in a 10 ml roller and fill up the rest with the fractionated coconut oil. This is amazing to use as a new mom on the belly, for the baby on the little feeties, and it helps so much to ease and calm them down. Be sure to go to roxysaran.com if you're ready to get started with essential oils. We would love to help you right there at roxysaran.com. Okay, the next one that I would like to give you a recipe for is Fussy Baby. So Fussy Baby, sometimes babies just cry and are upset. So this is a great recipe for a new mom. 5 drops of frankincense, 5 drops of Balance, and 5 drops of lavender in a 5 ml roller bottle with the rest coconut oil. This one is excellent for calming a fussy baby, really calming and soothing, and it might even help with sleepy time as well. So you're going to absolutely love this, and new mom is going to love it. Another issue that new moms come across is milk, helping their milk supply. And so 5 drops of basil, 5 drops of fennel, and 5 drops of frankincense, and the rest coconut oil in a 5 ml roller bottle. Again, we're always trying to do glass because it helps to keep the oils intact without using plastics and toxins. So glass is preferable. So basil, fennel, and frankincense, the rest coconut oil, help, they can rub that onto their breasts after every feeding, on the bottoms of their feet, and that will help the mom with her milk supply. All right, if you are ready to get started with doTERRA essential oils, go to roxysaran.com. We would love to welcome you right there to the Oily family, or if you just want to purchase 1 or 2 of the products we've talked about today, you can do that right at roxysaran.com. All right, so shifting gears from mama to sexy oils, right? Yes, eventually mom will be feeling better after giving birth, and a sexy oil helps to calm those the nervous tension, right? The first time after giving birth. So 10 drops of clary sage, 10 drops of ylang ylang, and 10 drops of bergamot and the rest coconut oil in a spray bottle or in a roller is excellent to wear as your perfume. You can even use it as a personal lubricant. It's absolutely safe, and you can use this over and over again. It's a great product. You're going to absolutely love it. 10 drops of clary sage, 10 ylang ylang, and 10 bergamot. All right, and then you can even make a between the sheets spray. So this will help to get a calming atmosphere in your bedroom and feel more sexy. You can spray it on your sheets. It's 5 drops of ylang ylang, 5 drops of clary sage, 5 drops of bergamot, and the rest with coconut oil, a few squirts of coconut oil, and the rest water. So you just want to shake that up a little bit before usage and spray that over your bedroom and your sheets. You're going to love the way that smells. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification, and also the like. If you are ready to hop in with doTERRA essential oils, we would love to help you at RoxySaran.com. I hope you found this information helpful. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. What was your favorite part? And I hope to see you in our next video. I'll be showing you how easy it is to make over your car. Have a great day.